Hello, in this video I want to show you how to apply trim to the armor in Minecraft new update. And to do this, first of all we'll need to craft ourselves a smithing table, and here simply open a craft bench and place four different or same planks on the bottom and 2 iron ingots on top. Here's smithing table. We're gonna place it right here, then right click on it, and here you will need to find different trim patterns, and you can find them in the world by performing different activities. This one, for example, comes from the pillagers camp. So Google the trims if you like to find them and know the location of them. Now place the trim right here, then select the armor piece that you want to apply, and then choose whichever material you want to make the trim look like. So for this example we're using gold, and here's the armor after applying a trim. And let's equip it. Or actually, did I just drop it? I think I did. So yeah, I won't be okay, I didn't. So here's how the armor looks like with a trim applied. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.